Welcome to a place where the thunderous roar of falling water has harmonized with human civilization for over 2 millennia. We are exploring Furong Ancient Town, a breathtaking sanctuary perched precariously atop a massive waterfall in the Xiangxi, Tujia, and Miao, autonomous prefecture of Hunan Province. Originally known as Wangkun, this town is a living masterpiece of ethnic architecture and natural grandeur, offering a glimpse into the profound cultural soul of the Tujia people. It is a destination where history flows as constantly as the river, and where ancient traditions remain anchored to the jagged limestone cliffs. Today, we invite you to step into a realm of misty canyons and stilt houses as we uncover the secrets of one of China's most visually stunning ancient settlements. Furong Town is strategically located in Yangshun County, hanging over the scenic Yushui River. The terrain is defined by its dramatic verticality, characterized by limestone karsts and the iconic two-tier waterfall that drops 60 meters, cutting directly through the heart of the settlement. The history of this town stretches back over 2,000 years to the Qin and Han dynasties, when it served as a vital trading port and the political center of the Tusi kings. A significant milestone occurred during the 5 Dynasties and 10 Kingdoms period, when the famous Shizhu Bronze Pillar was erected, marking a peace treaty between local clans and the central government. This long history is shrouded in mysteries of the Tusi elite, who once ruled these mountains with absolute authority. Here is a question for our explorers. Legend says that certain ancient caves behind the waterfall were used for secret rituals by the Tujia sorcerers to control the weather. Do you believe these caves still hold hidden artifacts today, or are they merely myths born from the mist? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Navigating Furong Town is a multi-sensory experience that begins at the 5-mile basalt road, a winding path paved with ancient stones that have been polished by centuries of footsteps. The crown jewel of the town is the Great Furong Waterfall, where visitors can actually walk on a path behind the curtain of water, feeling the raw power of the river. Overlooking the abyss is the Tusi Royal Palace, a magnificent example of Tujia stilt house architecture, or Diaojiaolu, which appears to float above the waterfall. In the evening, the town transforms as golden lights illuminate the cliffs, creating a reflection on the water that looks like a scene from a celestial painting. Exploring these ancient structures offers a rare perspective on how humans have adapted to such a challenging and beautiful vertical landscape. If you are mesmerized by the sight of this waterfall city, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into China's hidden gems. Furong Town is widely celebrated by its evocative nickname, the town hanging on a waterfall. The town gained its current name and nationwide fame following the 1986 cinematic masterpiece Hibiscus Town, directed by the legendary Xiangxi. The film starred the famous actress Liu Xiaoqing, who played a resilient woman selling rice tofu, a role that turned her into a cultural icon and made the town a household name in China. To this day, rice tofu remains the most famous local delicacy, and the shops mentioned in the film are still bustling with visitors seeking a taste of history. The most symbolic historical landmark is the Shizhu Bronze Pillar, standing nearly 4 meters tall and weighing 2,500 kilograms. It is known as the Holy Monument of the Tujia people, serving as a testament to the town's historical role as a diplomatic and military stronghold in the southern mountains. The cultural heartbeat of Furong is driven by the Tujia ethnic group, who make up the vast majority of the local population. The most commonly used language among the elders is the Tujia language, though Southwestern Mandarin is used for daily commerce and interaction with visitors. Deeply traditional, practicing the Baishu dance, or hand-waving dance, a rhythmic ritual that narrates the history and agricultural life of their ancestors. Artisanship is still highly valued, particularly the intricate Silanka weaving, a colorful Tujia brocade that is recognized as a national intangible cultural heritage. Life here moves to the rhythm of the river, with a social structure that remains closely tied to clan lineages and a deep reverence for the mountain spirits. Preserving a town built on a cliff presents unique structural and environmental challenges. The constant moisture from the waterfall and the humid subtropical climate pose a threat to the ancient timber stilt houses, requiring continuous and meticulous restoration. The local government has invested heavily in water quality management for the Yushui River to ensure the ecosystem remains healthy for both the residents and the wildlife. Managing the surge in tourism is another challenge, as the town seeks to balance economic growth with the need to protect its fragile historical core. Sustainable development initiatives focus on limiting modern construction and using traditional materials to maintain the town's authentic 18th century appearance. Furong Ancient Town is a powerful reminder of the resilience and creativity of the Tujia people, who built a civilization on the edge of a precipice. It is a place where the past is not a distant memory, but a vibrant reality heard in every splash of the waterfall and seen in every carved wooden beam. As we leave this misty sanctuary, we hope you carry with you an appreciation for the delicate harmony between architecture and nature. Thank you for exploring the Waterfall Town with us. Please remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you dare to stay in a house hanging over the falls? Let us know below. See you in our next cultural adventure.